like coming to National Hardware because they always have the tools that you need. When you work doing a profession, you can't just go and use little cheap tools. You use specialty tools, and coming here really has it, like the hammer. It's things you don't normally find anywhere else, but I can always find them here. And then the good thing about being an iron worker is that they give you a discount, and that really helps out with the trade too, because our tools get really expensive.
What's the difference between the big box and how important it is for the community that this place is?
Well, like I said, the specialty tools that, you know, these union trades or just trades in general require. I mean, if you buy quality tools like you guys have here, you don't have to keep running back to these little cheap stores for these tools that are more or less guaranteed to break. So I mean, it's not going to last even a year. When I come here, all my tools, I mean, I've had them for 3 years and they never broke.
And how do you find the customer service?
Very friendly. Very, very friendly. They're nice. They always help me out.